Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wells Fargo for DSCR loan readiness and documentation, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Wells Fargo website. Locate the business loans section. Choose the DSCR loan option for your review. Read through the eligibility requirements thoroughly. Prepare to gather the necessary documentation. Start by collecting your personal financial statements. This includes pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Ensure your credit report is accurate and up to date. Next, focus on gathering property information. Obtain a recent property appraisal. Collect lease agreements if the property is currently rented. Document any existing debts related to the property. Once you have all necessary documents, create digital copies. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the Loan Application section. Select the DSCR loan application option. Begin filling out the application form. Upload your previously gathered documents as prompted. Review your application for accuracy. Submit the application once all information is correct. After submission, check your email for confirmation. Monitor your application status online. If additional documentation is requested, respond promptly. Attend any interviews or meetings scheduled with a loan officer. Prepare to discuss your financial situation in detail. Stay in regular contact with your Wells Fargo representative. Once approved, review loan terms carefully. Finalize the paperwork to complete the activation process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.